Like most researchers, Patty's calendar is full of deadlines. For her, missing a due date is not an option. Doing so could endanger her funding and jeopardize her research. As such, Patty is extremely careful about her cell culturing experiments. She knows that contamination can very easily occur. To help prevent this, she uses proper aseptic techniques to ensure her cultures are kept safe. The most critical piece of equipment for cell culturing is undoubtedly the CO2 incubator. Patty takes every precaution to ensure it is kept clean, sanitary, and to prevent cross-contamination of cultures. By properly setting up the incubator, Patty will ensure that her cultures grow quickly and stay healthy. However, unlike the incubator settings, not all things can be controlled. Luckily for Patty, advances with incubator technology can help her out with some of the extenuating circumstances. As such, the needs of the lab will play a pivotal role in what style of CO2 incubator is the best fit for its processes. Factors such as the number of users, temperature uniformity, culture sensitivity, and contamination risks should be considered during the purchase of a new CO2 incubator. No two laboratories are the same. While some laboratories may have only 1 or 2 people using the CO2 incubator, other laboratories' incubators may be shared by a large number of researchers. This may result in problems such as lack of space. The use of stackable or dual chamber solutions ensures that ample space is available and can allow flexible conditions to give different cultures their own optimal environment. CO2 incubators are available in 2 popular types, direct heat and water jacketed. Both have their own advantages where temperature requirements are concerned. For applications which need to quickly ramp up to a desired temperature, a direct heat style incubator may be the best fit. This quick heating capability is achieved by heat being circulated mechanically inside the chamber. On the other hand, water-jacketed incubators may be the best fit for applications where fluctuations in temperature are undesirable. As the chamber is protected externally by a water-filled membrane, it is able to keep better temperature uniformity, as well as being able to recover more rapidly when the door is open due to the specific heat of water. As an added bonus, these water-enveloped units can adequately maintain temperature for an extended period of time, such as when a power outage occurs. Depending on the sensitivity of the culture, some factors need to be considered when setting up a new incubator. Setting up a CO2 incubator in an area where it will receive direct sunlight, or placing heat-generating instruments such as shakers or stirrers inside of an incubator may cause it to overheat. In cases where this cannot be avoided, a refrigerated model can be used to combat temperature increases. Vibration-sensitive cultures have their own special considerations. Placing the incubator in an area of low vibration will ensure that these cultures are kept safe. Beyond this, using a water-jacketed incubator, which is heavier and not as affected by vibration, can help protect sensitive cultures. Contamination is a common problem for many researchers. As such, there are a variety of incubator configurations and options available to reduce the risk. Purchasing a unit with a rounded interior and no tight crevices can allow for easier chemical cleaning of the chamber. As well, utilizing a copper interior, which has natural antimicrobial properties, can help to reduce the occurrence of contamination. Beyond this, using a closed-loop HEPA air filtration system can prevent outside air from contaminating the cultures inside and also prevent cross-contamination of cultures. For cleaning cycles, ramping up the internal heat of the unit can eliminate microbial contamination. This process is unique to direct heat models and should be taken into consideration before purchase. With all her deadlines being hit well in advance, Patty could not be happier with the new CO2 incubator. Finally, able to take a day off, she can rest easy knowing that her cultures will be healthy and safe from contamination while she's away. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business. Brought to you by New Air.